It's not easy being the elephant in the room, especially at our office gift exchange. So this year, I did something a little different. On the way to work, I made a pit stop. Now I'm the life of the party. Rose reached for the Sunpak LED ring light kit with built-in remote. Stella was so starved for family game night, she scored the What Do You Meme Bigger Better edition. Chris comes to the office all the time with coffee stains on his shirt. Naturally, he went for the fellow Carter Move mug with a snap-in splash guard. Ben is basically a black belt. He almost pulled out his nunchucks to get the Michelangelo action figure. This thing is sweet. Barb got the Belkin USB-C wall charger because it charges both iPhones and Samsung smartphones. And Larry finally came clean with Duke Cannon's illegally cut pine soap. I'm sorry if my reputation precedes me, but I think you'll agree I really outdid myself. Thanks to Best Buy.